In this video, we are going to go over where notes are added in the Navigator Tools section. When you log into Illinois workNet and click on the Customer Support Center, it'll take you here to the group search page. Any group that you have access to will be listed here. Click Apprenticeship Illinois. Click Navigator Tools. So there are different places where you can add notes. And that is, you can view them here on the notes page, and any notes that were added to an outreach event or an organization can be viewed here. So on an outreach event, when you go to add a new outreach event, you're going to add a follow-up note there. And then you can go into an outreach event and click See Notes, and you can always add another follow-up note to the outreach event. And then for the organization information, you can click on the organization name and scroll down to the bottom. And there are organization notes that you can leave there. So there are many different places where you can add notes in the Navigator tools, and they can collectively be seen on the Notes tab. You can export a full list of the notes if you'd like to see all of them. You can add more entries per page if you'd like to view more. You can filter by note type, origin, subject, comment, contact date, and who it was entered by. You can also use the search box to search for a specific note.